Hello and welcome. So let's quickly go over how to create an Instagram or business page. So this page, now let's assume this is a your personal page and you want to convert it to a business page. Click on here, come to settings, and go over to where is that option? Accounts. Then switch to business account. You understand? Just click next, and that's all. It's as easy as that. So, but that's not why we're here. That's just a quick what is it called? So now click here and come here, click on add. You understand? So now you click on create, then name, let's say importation business. Importation business. Okay, let's abbreviate it and say imports biz. It's still taking. Let's go on the score. Still taking. Okay. Underscore. Okay, import biz. Next. Now click on next. Then here now is asking if you want to create a different login. You click on create new login. That's for you to get a new login for your own if you want to. But for me, I don't want to, so I click on next for it to continue. Then okay. Complete the setup. Understand? So now it's asking to set the profile pics. I don't want to do that now, so you can always do that later. Now it's asking to follow some people, so I can just follow a few people. Go back. I think that's okay for now. And voila, that's all. It's as easy as that, as easy and as simple as this. You understand? Very, very easy and simple. So that's all on how to create what is it called? On how to create a business page on Instagram. It's as easy as that. So let's quickly go over. Let me see. Let's try to promote a post here. Let's click here. Come here. Let's try to promote a post. Although I've been restricted, I don't know if I'll be granted. Click on promote here. So you wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up. Then here. So I'll advise you to click here. Depends on how you want to do. If you want them to message you direct, click here, edit this, and put in the normal WhatsApp URL, whatever you feel that's what you want. If you want them to message you via DM directly, then you can click on here, so they will be able to message you directly. So let's assume that's what we want. And here now, you can come and create your audience or leave it at automatic. If you want to create one, you click here. That will allow you to first set a name, then location, interest. Those people, if you want to target just children, adults, people that love shoes, people that put on slippers and co. That this way you select the interest. You set the age limit. After setting the age limit, then that's all. They just select it like this, but I'm not interested in that for now. This is just a sample. Then click on automatic and continue. Set your budget. I'm leaving it at the minimum. It's sample, you remember. Click on this. Now click on promote. You understand? So it will now be reviewed. If it is approved and you have money there, you understand, there will be a place where you'll be asked to input your card details. input it. Once it is approved, they will start deducting the money, and your ad will start running. So that's all about Instagram, and see you on the other side.